Hello everybody, it's JD again with JD Comic Book Collecting, and we have two unboxings today. And I'm sorry it's been a while. I'm kind of behind on opening these things, but with any further ado, let's go for it. I've been trying to buy these on a regular basis. These are from Geek Street Productions from Comic Tom 101. Going to open the first one. I don't have a knife on me, but I'm gonna use this pen. And so we have two unboxings today, and this one here I believe is for this month, actually last month, for October. I'm sorry I'm behind. And let's see what we got. Usually not trying to ruin anything. Let me see here. So let's talk about the exclusives first with this. So this is for the September, I'm sorry, I thought it was October, September mystery mail call. And there is a Thor, a Ninja Turtles homage of X-Men 173, and you can see here, so I think that's 112, I believe, number 112. But yeah, so let's see what we got here. And this is a print of Green Lantern, art by Andy Tong. It's pretty cool. So let's see what we got here first. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 109, not 112. So this is, I love Ninja Turtles here, and this is 1,750 prints of this one here, one of 1,750. Pretty cool coverage. And of course this is the homage of X-Men 173. Let's go for the next one. Okay, this is a print 1613 out of 2000 of Batwoman. Next book here. Okay, I got this one here. This is, I remember this from the 90s. This is Morbius #1, Rise of Midnight Suns. And these are one of those books that I think were just overprinted in the past, but I don't think, I believe I do have this one. Okay, let's see what's the next one. Saga, Chapter 31, Fiona Staples and Brian Vaughn. Okay, I haven't seen this before. Looks pretty good. From Image. Next one, Usagi Yojimbo. Okay, number 74. Don't have this one. Always like this series from Dark Horse. And the next one is X Earth. And let me see here, is this number 5 or 4? It's pretty cool. Pretty cool book. And we have 1,000. So this is the mystery mail call for Thor number 7. And it's pretty good. Variant edition, 733. Nice. So I got two of the special books that are specifically only through Comic Tom 101. This from Geek Street Productions. All right, let's go and open the other one. And I believe this is going to be August. I'm sorry I'm behind. I know it's November. Things happen. So let's open this one. And please, if you guys can also send me any messages. You want me to watch your videos or your mystery box unboxings, please send them. For sure, I know the pandemic has been pretty crazy out there, so If you guys need prayer, please leave a message or leave a comment in the description area, and I'll pray for you. But I know it's been kind of crazy out there, and I haven't been to my local comic book shop for over 2 months, so I know it's been a while. It's just been crazy out there, and I hope everyone's doing well. So this one is, let's see. So the mystery mail call for this, okay, this is the October one, and I'm hoping to get at least maybe just like this one here, 2 of these prints specifically for Comic Tom 101 Dune. Okay, hopefully I get one of those. Okay, the first book. Okay, so this one is the X-Men of Swords. Let me see here. Variant edition, creation number 1. And this one is exclusive for, this one has less than 600 prints, I believe, or 1,000. Nice cover. What's the next one here? Okay, print of Thanos. 760 out of 2,300. Okay, Peter Parker Spectacular number 1 with the Blob and Black Cat and Spidey in his, of course, his black costume. And this one is a newsstand. And I believe I have a couple of these already. I have the whole collection of Peter Parker Spectacular. Okay, PBRD Hellion on Earth. I've never heard of this before. I'll go check this out. See. Oh, what is this? Is this signed? Necessary Evil number 1. Is this signed by somebody? Or is this supposed to be like this? I gotta check this out. Is there a certificate? No, this looks like it's signed. Looks like you had this sign. Alright. I don't know by who. Hopefully one of the artists, pencilers, or... But leave a comment if you know who the signature is. Whose signature? Nice. Okay, Punisher 2099 number 1. I believe I have this one already. And Dune number 1. I'm gonna be checking this one out. This one's exclusives, and this is 1 out of 1,700. All right, so these are my exclusives that I got all together. I know these are the last 2 months of exclusives. My favorite being the Turtle, of course. Ninja Turtles 101, 109, I mean. And then we got this signed comic book. I gotta go and figure that out. You guys know what that is. And the X-Swords Variant Edition. So there you have it. Just wanted to open those up, and I wanted to open it in front of you. And it's just great getting these mystery mail calls from Tom 101. I love his stuff, and excited of what I got here. Well, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. Thank you.